Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Here Messenger. And then you will update your app. So please don't forget